All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So here's the XB21 from Sony. Now, I recently reviewed the 31, which you can see is a much bigger box because it's a bigger speaker. So comparing these two here, these are actually identical. It's just a matter of power and performance. They're both IP67. They both have the live sound. The live sound, I might have misspoke on the live sound in the other video. But the live sound is actually for kind of a three-dimensional sound, surround sound. So, other than that, these are identical speakers here. Obviously, I got a blue one this time instead of the white or / gray. But they have NFC, same, it's still IP67. All the controls are identical. Even along to the back here, when you pop this open, these are all the same. This is identical setup here. It's just positioned a little bit different, and you can charge something with this one here because of that large battery in there. Now, even though this one is still smaller, it's going to have some great sound. So the battery inside of here is huge, obviously, but this one right here, let me check the battery for you real quick just to be sure, because I'm pretty sure this one has I think it's got a 2000 or something like that. Let me be sure here for you though. Well, I can't find any exact battery size for this one right here. It just says 12 hours of music playback. So this is pretty much the same speaker as this one right here. You just get a different setup. The light show will probably be a little bit different because I can see it on the Sony website. But I'm going to get this powered on, and let's get it paired to a phone here. Let's get some Bluetooth going. We'll be right back. All right, so I got it connected up here, and it's connected to my Redmi 5 Plus. Again, controls and everything are identical, so I'm just going to give you a sound test and tell you what I think. Let me load up some music here. All right, so my favorite track here, obviously. Wow, this thing bangs. So it definitely hits hard. I want to grab the Sony app again so you can see exactly how that works. And it's called the Sony, what's the name of this application? The Music Center, Sony Music Center app. So I'm going to go into the store. I don't have it on this device right here, but I'm going to put it on here for you. And it's this one right here. This is what it looks like. So we'll get that installed. But overall, the experience on this speaker, it's going to be pretty much the same. You need the application to change the lights and, how they're going to, sparkle and flash like this one here. But I think Sony's doing a good thing here with these little speakers. And this one is, while it doesn't have as much bass as this one, obviously, it still has a ton of bass, and you'll never really be able to get the gist of it over video. Because, this is just, something you got to see in person. You got to hear it in person. But it has the lights that run all the way around the edges. And just check the link in the description of this video, and you'll see where you can grab yours from. I'm going to link you directly to the Sony site. But these are really cool speakers. I'm trying to get the highest model. This is definitely a difference in weight for sure. I'm trying to get the bigger one because this is the lowest powering. This is the middle, and then there's one above this one, and it's the X41. So I'm trying to get the 41. Hoping that I can give you a demo of all three. But nonetheless, man, just want to do a quick video. Sony's really doing it nice with these speakers right here. They're in it, the pricing, I don't know how you feel about the pricing, but this is $99, this is $149, and the one above this one is $249. But with that, I guess if you were trying to stay somewhere in the safe range, you could go all the way up to the biggest one. But this one is actually really, really nice. This one is very lightweight, but it is super powerful, man. It's unbelievable how much power comes out of this thing. But if I was going to recommend any of these, I'll probably say just go with the middle ground, because this one's 150, this one's 100, and the one above it is 250. Now, I haven't had any hands-on time with the one above it, the 41, but just based on what I hear from the 31, I know the 41 is going to bang hard. You know, it's gonna be really, really good. So, you know, it's just a matter of what you want to spend your money on. So, just again, real brief video on the new XB21. The XB21 is nice, man. It is nice. And these are waterproof and they feel really good. So, real quick video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. It's your man, Jay Will. Hit the links in the description if you want to try to find and get you one. Take care.